I attended the Subject 2 workshop on August 8th of 2020. I found the workshop very informative and valuable, especially with Subject 2. For me personally, the concept of Subject 2 is very um, difficult and confusing, and I wanted to attend something so I had a better understanding of it, especially going into the foreclosure and forbearance kind of recovery. I felt like as a real estate investor that this would be an invaluable tool to be able to understand. And there were many things that came with the workshop that I didn't expect to get, especially with the uh, paperwork that Tim provides and kind of example templates of all the different contracts and agreements that he uses. And it provides great templates for me to utilize for when my first deal comes that's subject to. So I would highly recommend doing the class. We did, for me, what the most valuable part of it was going through different scenarios and examples. Conceptually, I understood subject to going into it, but getting more real world examples kind of helps cement everything. So the next time it comes up, I would highly recommend it.